In this problem, we want to figure out the maximum weight of this flower pot, knowing that the cables can only hold 50 pounds. That doesn't mean each cable is holding 50 pounds. What it means is that's the maximum amount that either cable can hold. So one of them will be at 50, the other will be at something less than 50. And we want to figure out what weight will cause that to happen. So with any equilibrium problem, the first thing we do is we draw a free body diagram. So we have the weight of the pot acting straight down, and then we have the two tensions, AC and AB, acting up in their specific directions. Okay. Once we have the free body diagram, we simply sum the forces in the X and sum the forces in the Y, setting them both to 0. So summing the forces in the X direction, we basically just have the two tensions because the weight is all in the Y direction. So I have FAC sine 30, again that's the horizontal component of this force, and then FAB 3/5, again I'm looking for that horizontal component, so it would be 3/5. Okay. AC is in the positive X, AB is in the negative X direction, so you have that minus sign there. Okay. Simplifying that down, I find out that FAC equals 1.2 times FAB. Doing the same thing for the Y direction. Okay. Basically, I flipped AC and AB. They're both acting upward, so they're going to both be positive. So I have FAC cosine 30, again, that adjacent component of FAC. And then 4/5, again, the vertical component, 4/5 FAB. Those both acting up, and then all of the weight acting down. Okay. So simplifying that a little bit, you get the equation shown here. Again, what we're doing is we're looking for W here. Okay, knowing that no cable can be above 50. Now, from this first equation, the X equation, I learned that AC is going to be bigger than AB, right? Because no matter what AB is, AC is 20% bigger. It's 1.2 times AB. Therefore, I know AC is going to be the limiting factor. So I'll set that one to 50, which lets us set AB to 41.67 by solving this top equation here. Again, had I set FAB to 50, then AC would have been 60 pounds, which it can't be. So I know AC had to be 50, giving me FAB 41.67, which I get up here. Plugging those two values into the Y equation, I determine that the weight is 76.6 pounds. So again, free body diagram, sum the forces in the X, sum the forces in the Y, set them both to 0. Determine which cable is the limiting factor and setting that to 50, and then solving out the equations.